Very good afternoon to one and all. So, in last lecture, we discussed about lecture number 16. We discussed about the block diagram reduction, introduction to block diagram, and we also see the various examples basis on the block diagram reduction tools and to obtain the transfer function. So, in this lecture, we are going to explain the alternative method how to define a complicated control system with the signal flow graph. So signal flow graph, it is a method to define the complicated control system in the form of graphical representation. So signal flow graph, it is a graphical representation method in which we can see a complicated system into form of graph, or we can say that is an alternative method for the block diagram reduction tool, and it is very simple and convenient as compared to the block diagram reduction. So in this lecture we introduce the signal flow graph, who is a pioneer of signal flow graph method, and Masson gain formula to calculate the gain of a system or to solve the signal flow graph of control system. So let us begin with this lecture. So first we define what is meant by signal flow graph. Signal flow graph is a diagram which represents a set of simultaneous equations. This method was developed by S.J. Masson. This method does not require any reduction technique, so that it is very simple as compared to the block diagram reduction tool or block diagram. It consists only of nodes, and these nodes are connected by directed line called as branches. Every branch has an arrow which represents the flow of signal. For a complicated system, when block diagram reduction method is become tedious and time consuming, then we implement a good choice of signal flow graph. That is a good choice to how to represent a complicated control system in existence without block diagram. We choose a best option to how to draw, that is a nothing but a signal flow graph. So this is an introduction about the signal flow graph. Then comparison between how the signal flow graph and block diagrams are differ each other. So in this signal we can see this is the case. Each step block we can draw a block, and that is why this is a tedious method. So wastage of time and space. But here only one time the signal flow graph is drawn and the Masson gain formula is to be evaluated. So save the space, so it is save the time and space. So as compared to the block diagram, the signal flow graph, the method is very tedious, which save the time and space. So this question will be asked in exam point of view. The upcoming exams on the basis of your MCQ type. So small points which gives the questions on comparison, how the comparison between the block diagram and between signal flow graph in terms of the some parameters will be asked. Okay, so must be remember. Then this method is very alternative. It consists signal flow graph means branches are nothing but the system and nodes are nothing but the signals. So some basic definitions which is required to the signal flow graph. First one is a node. What is meant by node? It is a point representing a variable. For example, if we see there is a x1, x2 and x3 are the node and which defines the equations. So these two nodes are connected by directed line which is called as a branch or branches, and the signal flow which is indicated by the arrow. This is the signal. There are the three nodes, branch, a line joining between two nodes. So it is a directed line which join two nodes, that is called as a branch. Input node, also called as a source node. A node which has only outgoing branches, that is called as your input node or source node. For example, x1 node, x1 is an input node which acts as your input node or source node. Then output node are also called as a sink node. Here we can define output node or sink node in which only incoming branches, means incoming here is only. So here we can say that the x3 is your output node where all the data will be incoming. Then mixed nodes has both incoming and outgoing branches. The best example is a mixer. Then transmittance, it is a gain between the two nodes, generally written on the branch nearer or arrow. So if we observe this block diagram, x1 and x2, the director of the signal can be indicated by this arrow, and the gain of this branch will be written at top of the arrow. So we say that that is a transimpedance. It is a gain between the two nodes. It is generally written on the branch of the nearer to the arrow. Then path. It is a transversal connected branches in the direction of branch arrows, such as no node is a transversal more than once. So that is called as a path. Forward path, a path which is originated from the input node, means source node, and terminated as output node or to sink node, along which no node which will transverse it more than once. So that is called as your forwarded path. And in simple language we can say that the path which is start from source node or input node and which is to be terminated on the output node or sink node, that is called as a forward path. Forward path gain, it is a product of branch transmittance of a forward path, that is called as your forward path gain. Here is a forward path gain is defined G1, G2, G3, G4, or forward path for this gain will be G5, G6, G7. If you observe from first forward path from here to here, and second forward path from G5, G6, G7 and G8. Then loop, the path that originates and terminates at the same node, that is called as a loop, along which there is no another node transferred more than once. Self loop, the self loop we can define as the path originated and terminates at the same node, that is called as a self loop. Then loop gain, it is a product of branch transmittance of a loop, that is called as gain of loop. Non-touching loops, loop does not have any common node or branch, that is called as your non-touching loops. So here L1, GH1 and GH2, these are the self loops, and non-touching loops we can say that L1, L2 are the non-touching loops because they are not shared between two common nodes, so that is called as non-touching loops. L3 also, L2, L3 we can see. Okay, then we see the basic terms which is to be defined in pictorial representation. This is a node, this is input node, this is the output node, this is input node also defined, this is a mix node where the signals will be incoming and signals will be outgoing, this is a transmittance which is written top of the arrow, this is a loop, this is a forward path from here to here, from x1 to x2, and the directed line which indicates on arrow, that is called as the branch. Then we go to the Masson gain formula. Masson gain formula is used to, it is a technique to reduce the signal flow graph of a single transfer functions require the application of one formula. Transfer function is nothing but a output divided by input. So C of s into R of s in Laplace transform. The system will be represented by the signal flow graph. G of s is equal to C of s into R of s, k summation k into pk into delta k divided by delta, where k number of forwarded path and pk is the kth forwarded path gain. So delta can be calculated 1 minus curly bracket summation loop gain plus curly bracket summation of non-touching loops gain take into at time minus summation non-touching loops gains taken 3 times at a time, and so on. So this is to calculate the how to calculate delta. Then delta k are nothing but the loop gain which is does not touches the forward path. So in this way we can calculate the transfer function, or we can calculate the transfer function by using Masson-Gunn formula. Also this Masson-Gunn formula is used to reduce the signal flow graph into a single transfer function. So in this lecture we introduce the concept of signal flow graph, various basic terms, and difference between the signal flow graph and your block diagram, and how the signal flow graph is very simple and time saving and space saving as compared to the block diagram reduction rule, and also see the Masson-Gunn formula. It is how to calculate. For better understanding, in next lecture we see the more examples which is based on the Masson-Gunn formula and signal flow graph. So we can stop here. Thank you.